Yo, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna be talking about why you shouldn't be forcing trades, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go over the trade that I took today, right? So coming into the market today was Friday, right? This whole week we were just expanding. The whole week we were just expanding, right? So and we all know like Friday, like that's the end of the range, so it typically tends to be less volume. So you gotta be careful when you trading Fridays, right? There was no news. Price is bullish. Price is at all-time highs on ES. Wasn't at all-time highs on NQ as yet, but we got there eventually, right? So coming into the market at 9:30, right? Price open and then it shot up around 9:45 on ES, right? There was a SMT with London highs right here, as you can see, right? Had the London highs, right? So I'm not gonna lie, I was looking at short, even though price is very bullish because of Trump being elected and stuff. But I was still looking for a short, maybe to like a fair value gap or something. But let's see what happened. Actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna take this off. This is what it looks like now. But at the time, we had a SMT at London highs, right? So in a 1 minute, I think I was looking for like a short entry or something, but I didn't get it. And then we ended up creating a 15-minute fair value gap on both of them, on both indices. So let me see if I can find it. It was right here. Alright, so both of them had a fair value gap, a 15-minute fair value gap. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this tiny little one right here, and then ES had one as well. ES had a fair value gap with a volume imbalance right here. Right, so you can mark that out. This whole thing. Alright, so if you look, NQ tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap, but ES didn't, right? So that's an internal SMT. So I was looking to go long. And I think we were also inside a macro when we tapped into it. Where was it? I'm trying to remember. Yeah, no, it wasn't in the macros. We tapped into it before the macro, but I think I took my entry in the macro. Yeah, I took my entry like when price came below this low. I think that's when I entered. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, so price this low within this 1 minute fair value gap. I think that would be considered a turtle soup, right? So I entered price when price went below that low, and then I put my stop right below this little volume imbalance right there, right? And then I'm thinking like we just about to go up because like price is bullish, right? So this is gonna be my first TP, and then my second and final TP on NQ was gonna be on uh these highs right here. We eventually ended up hitting them, but not in the morning session though. Alright, that was gonna be my second and final TP. Alright, but the thing was like ES was already trading at all-time highs, and then on top of that, had the SMT at London highs, right? But I'm just thinking, oh yeah, we in a macro and had that internal SMT, so yeah, just go along, why not, right? But I came back to my senses before, but I closed. Price traded down a little bit, then I closed when it came back to my entry, so I didn't lose any money, right? I closed when it came back to where I entered at. So, because in my head, I'm like, if we got an S&T at London highs, why am I looking to go long? I mean, even though we are bullish and price is just like most likely gonna keep going up, like, and it's Friday as well, so it's like, yeah, I just didn't want to risk it, right? That's why I say like, you shouldn't force trades, like, especially if you're uncertain. Like I was kind of uncertain. We had the SMC at London highs, and then we had the internal SMC with this 15-minute fair value gap. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just get out the trade, right? And then I made the right choice because it ended up coming, and it would have stopped me out because I put my stop right there, right? Came, went down. ES didn't hit it, by the way. Never hit that 15-minute fair value gap, and then consolidated a little bit. And then when I seen it started consolidating, I was glad that I got out, right? And then it just kept, it went up after that for the rest of the day. So yeah, I'm glad that I closed it because I saved myself from losing money. And even though I didn't make money, I'm still glad, you know, because for the week, I'm up like about, I think like about 900, close to 900. But I mean on my funded, cause I passed my funded on Monday. But if I already had the funded before Monday, then I'll be up 900 for the whole week. I'm down like 477 on the funded though, cause I passed the funded challenge on Monday. But in total for all the trades I took this week, I'm up 900. So and that's way more than a 9 to 5. So I'm happy for that. You don't gotta trade every day. You don't gotta force trade. Stop forcing trades. Just take it when like you know you're not confusing. Like when you're certain, right? The setup is clear. You got a clear draw on liquidity. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. You know, if you guys would enjoy me on the journey to profitability, make sure you subscribe. You guys have a good night. Have a great weekend. Back test and stuff. Do what you gotta do. And be safe, man. I'm out.